Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are again going to solve a set of the day. And before moving ahead, I would request you to like, share, and subscribe. And let's move on to the set. Also, you can WhatsApp us at 8447 or you can visit www.catway.in for more info on the CAT course. Okay. So coming to the question, it says the diagram below shows the roads connecting 6 cities A through F. However, all the roads in the diagram below were not opened for the travel at the same time, and any person can travel along any road only after the road is opened for travel. The roads AC, BD, AC, AB, BD, CE, and BF were opened for travel at beginning of 2011. Okay, so it says the road AC was opened. Okay, so the road AC was opened. Okay, AC was opened. The road AB was opened. This I'm making for 2011. The road BD was open. BD is there. Okay. CE was open. E is, let's say, over here. And BF was open. Okay. So this was open up till here. Now this is the diagram that was eventually there in 2011. Okay. Now moving ahead, at the beginning of 2011. The roads AD and EF were opened at the beginning of 2012. So again, the similar structure of 2011 will follow. Okay, similar structure of 2011 will follow, and there will be some additions made to it. Okay, there will be some additions made to it. Okay, so this is also F over here. Okay, now two more roads were opened at the beginning of 2012? We can see that AD was opened. So AD was opened and EF was opened. Okay, then when we move ahead, when we move further, so this is for 2012. And then it says then the remaining roads, that is the remaining roads that are there in the diagram, were open for travel at the beginning of 2030. So basically this diagram is for 2030. So now we have the diagrams for each of the years. Okay, now we can directly solve the questions. So what do we have in 2011? In how many ways can a person travel from A to F without passing through any city twice? So going from A to, we have to go from A to F. Okay. So there are only two places where we can go from A, that is one is C and one is B. From B, we can go one place to D, or we can go one place to F. Okay, and from C, there's only one option to go to E. Now out of these, there's only one option that actually leads us to F. So the correct answer for question number 1 will be there is only one way. Okay, there is only one. Come to question number 2. If in 2012 a person traveled from D to E, if in 2012 a person traveled from D to E, what is the minimum number of cities that he must have passed through? So minimum number of cities that he must have passed through. So if a person starts from D, he has two options, either to go to A or he has the option either to go to B. Once he has reached A, he has again two options, either to go to B or he can go to C. Okay. If that person goes to B, he will have the option. He cannot go to D again because we cannot cross any city twice. Okay, he is not going to going to D again. So the only option is going to F and then going to E. Okay, F and then E. Taking the case of AC, so from C only one option is there, going to E. Okay, talking about when he came to B, so again from B he has two options. One leads directly to F and then leads to E. The other leads to A, then C, then E. So we have total of 4 cases in which a person can go from D to B. Now what is the minimum number of cities? In this there are 3 cities. Here are 2 cities. Here again are 2 cities. And here are 3 cities. So the minimum number of cities required is going to be equal to 2. So with this, the second question is also done. Move to the third question now. So what do we have? That what is the difference between the number of ways that a person can travel from A to F? Okay. Difference between the number of ways a person can travel from A to F without passing through any city twice, that in 2012 to that in 2013. Talking about 2012, guys. Okay, a person has to go from A to F. Okay, a person can go from where? A person can from A can go to either C. C wale range mein he will go to E and then he will go to F. Okay, or he can choose to go to D. If he goes to D, he will go to B, B के बाद again he cannot go to A, he has to go to F. Okay, while the third case is that he went from A to B, okay, and then he cannot go to D, because then he will have to come back to A. That is not possible. So from B directly he can come to F. Okay, so how many ways are there? There are 3 ways in 2012 in which a person could have moved from A to F. Talk about 2013. Okay, I need some space now, so I'm deleting the diagram for 2011 and 12 because they're not needed anymore. Okay, they're not needed anymore. I'm deleting it. Okay, so talking about 2013. Okay, now he has to go from A to F. Again, let us start with the first way. Okay, let us start with the first way. So where can he go? Where can he go first? From A he can go to B. Okay, from A he can go to B. From B he has one option of directly going to F. He has one option of directly going to F. Okay, or he has the second option. He has the second option from B to go to D. Okay, or go to E. Going to E is the second option. Okay, from E he cannot go to C because then he will have to come to A, or he will have to come to C to D and then again to B. So both the cases are not possible. So from E he will have to directly go to F. Whereas the third case he can go from B is from B he can go to D. If he goes to D, again he can come back to A, but that is not a possibility. So he will have to go to C. When he goes to C, his next destination would be E and the next destination would be F. So if from A you start to B, you have 3 ways to reach F. The second way was from A to C. Okay, the second way was from A to C. Now if a person goes to C, he has the option of going to E and to F. Okay. Also, when he went to C, he had also the option of from E to B and then to F. Okay, from E to B and then to F. Okay, he had two more options from C. He could have gone to D. Okay, he could have gone to D and he could have then gone to B and F, or he could have changed his direction from ACD. From B, he could have gone to E, took a longer route and then gone to F. So here we have found 7 ways. Okay, now one more way is left. Okay, A to D. So if a person goes from A to D, okay, if a person goes from A to D, he will have what options? From D he can come to B, and from B he can go to F or directly F. Okay, he can go to F, EF, or he can directly go to F from B. Okay, now let's explore the other way around. So A to D is there. From D we took the route where he went to B. Now we'll take the route when he went to C. So if he went to C, he had the option of going to E and then directly to F. Also, he had the option of going to C and then to E and then going to B and then taking a longer route going to F. Okay, so a total of 4 more over here. So a total of 11 ways in 2013 in which a person can go from to the A to F. Whereas there are only 3 ways in 2012. The difference was asked, so we'll subtract it and we get the value as 8. So hope you have understood the set well, guys. And thanks for watching the video.